Guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I am gonna tell you how to learn HTML. HTML is a web-based programming language, so let us learn about that. Welcome to APC Limited. In this video we will be learning about HTML programming language so that you also gain some interest in coding. What is HTML? HTML is a web-based programming language used to create web pages and websites. It stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It provides us a variety of opportunities to make a better web page. It is a very popular programming language used by us through writing the pseudocodes. The web page is saved with the .html or .htm extension. Codecs of HTML. Tags. Tags are the codecs or pseudocodes written in order to define the codecs. They are showed like this. HTML. HTML tag is a confidential tag which is used to define the beginning as well as the ending of the HTML codex. Head tag. It is used to define the heading of the HTML codex. Title tag. Title tag is used to display the title of the HTML web page. Body tag. It is used to define the body of the HTML codex. Heading 1 to heading 6. These tags are used to give the heading to the web page. Paragraph tag. This tag is used to define the paragraph on the web page. Closing of the tags. All these tags are closed by giving a slash after the greater than tag like this. HTML slash paragraph slash heading 1 tag slash title tag slash body tag and many more. So thank you for seeing our presentation. Now I hope that you have listened to the theory, and now let us go on to practical. Now let us open Visual Studio Code for writing our pseudocodes. Type Ctrl+N button on your keyboard to give a new page. Now you can see the new page has been opened. So now let us save this page. Now click on the file option and select Save As button. Because you are saving it first time, so you will select the Save As button. Now you can write here the file name which you want, and then you have to write the extension, that is .html. Okay, so now save this file with the name of .html. Click on Save button. So now you can see that the file which was untitled is now named as apc.html. So now let us start our coding. So as we know that as we have discussed earlier in the presentation, that tags are used to define the pseudocodes. So let us start. First type HTML tag. Because we have discussed it that the HTML tag is the confidential tag used to define the closing and opening of the HTML web page. So let us type HTML. Remember that HTML should be in the lowercase characters. So type here HTML. Okay. So we have written here HTML. Now as you know that HTML is used for closing and opening of the tag, so this should be written here to understand the codecs. So now we will write head tag, HEAD, head. It is used to define the heading of the pseudocodes. Now title. Title is optional. If you want to give the title to the web page, then you can give the title tag, or you can not give the title. It is on your basis. So type here title, and then the title which you have to give to the web page should be written between the title tags, between the closing and the opening of the title tags. So I will write here APC. You can write any title here. It is on your basis. And remember to write all the tags and all the codecs inside the HTML tag, because it is used to define the closing and the opening of the tags. So after the head and title tag, we have to write body. Every tag is under the special sequence in which we have to write the tags. So first is HTML, then head and title, and then body tag. So I will write here body BG color. If you want to give the background color to the web page, then you can give the attribute of the tag, that is BG color or background color. So we will write here BG COLOR, and then we can give the color in the inverted commas. So I will give the color as red. And remember to close all the tags. The attributes are inside the tags. They are always written inside the tag, so remember to write them. It is also exceptional for some of the attributes. So if you want to write the attributes, so you can write, or you can, it is on your basis. So now I will give the heading. If you want to give the heading of the to the web page, then you can give the h1 tag. H1 tag gives the heading displayed in a larger font. So you can give the h1 tag here, and you can write anything which you want to be displayed as a heading. You can write anything between the h1 and closing of the h1 and opening of the h1 tags. So I will write here welcome to our website. Okay, so this will be displayed at the top left corner of the web page. So let us save this file. Press Ctrl+S on your keyboard, and then it will be saved. And then locate the file where you have saved it. And also remember to close the body and HTML, all the tags that you have written here. Now minimize the Visual Studio and open the file which you have where you have saved the web page file. So let us open that. So as you can see, my web page is loading. So it has shown our heading that we have written. That is inside the h1 tag we have written welcome to our website. So you can see it is displayed on the web page. So like this you can display the any type of heading you want to display on the web page. So now I will tell you uh, how to add the heading inside the h2 tag. There is a little bit difference between the h1, h2, h3, h4, h5, h6 tags, that as we go on to h2, h3, h4, the size of the font gets reduced in it. So if I will type here h1 h2 tag, then the size of the font will be reduced from as of the initial size that we have given inside the h1 tag. Now let us try with the h2 tag. Give here h2 in the opening tag also and in the closing one also. Then save the file and then refresh the browser page. So you can see that the font is reduced a little bit. From that initial font, it has been reduced to some extent. Yeah. Now let us try the h3, h4, h5 and h6 tags to clear your concept. Now give the h3 tag in the place of h2 tag in the opening and closing tags. Yeah. So now let's save the file, Ctrl plus S, and now we will refresh our browser. So you can see that the font is reducing to a little bit extent. So I think your concept is clear. So this is all for this video, and in next video we will be studying about HTML part 2. In the part 2 I will be explaining you the paragraph tag and the center tag. So this is all for this video. If you like my video, then please like, subscribe and share my video. Thank you and bye bye.